What's up, everyone? It's Bill here with Cali Track Days, Cali Moto TV, here at beautiful Buttonwillow Raceway, Buttonwillow, California. We're just about 2 hours north of Los Angeles, and Los Angeles is right over there. We're out on the R9T Racer, and we're gonna go have a little bit fun in the B- group, huh? How about it? How about it? How about it, guys? So B-, got a couple guys. Do not turn Apex. I love her. She's absolutely the best grid person we have. Absolutely great. So up ahead of us, I'm not going to be able to keep up with them too long. My boy Alex out riding his BMW S1000RR. So we're going to stay to the left, stay to the left, to the left, left, left. We don't want to interfere with the guys coming up behind us. We got a couple guys. And away we go. So this should be just a good cruising session. Keep an eye out for any infractions, but outside of that, we've had a glorious day. So I don't think we'll have too many issues. On these big leader bikes just blow past me out here on the dog leg. And then I could have gotten down a couple guys there. So we're just going to take our time out here, take our time. Nothing needs to be rushed. Find out how everyone's passing, and then be able to make that nice clean pass. I can't, you know, I kind of got a disadvantage out here with these guys because this bike doesn't turn. This bike doesn't have much acceleration, so I just got to kind of get a skill to it. So we're going to accelerate out of here. Just try to get past him. But you see, this is what's going to kill me. Let's see if we can get tucked under here. R9T Racer, baby. God, I love this thing. Sorry to say how much I love this thing in every single video. I know you guys get it, I get it, but man, this thing is such a blast. Wow. I love this thing. So part 2 of the motorcycle.com Racer Cup, Boxer Cup, excuse me, that they've been promoting out over at motorcycle.com. They just came up with their second video. If you haven't seen it, head over to motorcycle.com's YouTube channel, and Sean just uploaded the second video. So they have the Rapid Tuner on their bikes, and man, those things sound so rad. I'm like, I told Bogner the other day when I watched the video, I was like, well, sounds like I'm getting a Rapid Tune on the bike. So I'm just waiting on the custom muffler. I know it's taking a little while, but the mounting is what we're working on. So first. Nope. So they also have, I think with the Rapid Tune, I think we're also getting, they also get the quick shifter. Oh man, I love the quick shifter on this. And I know that, I believe Gary with San Diego BMW told me that they've got, if you get the smaller starter on this thing, then we can move the shifter to GP shift. Oh, so let's hope for the best. So we got a yellow flag. So I'm gonna come up. So we've got a bike down, but I do see some instructors. So we'll just make sure we're, you know, our eyes are up on the yellow. Looks like it's on the inside. Okay, we're good. Cleared up. Looks like a bike mechanical. Not too bad. Okay. So back up to speed. No passing, obviously, until we pass the next tower stand. And no yellows, which were good. So we can get on this thing. So speed shifter is, I gotta get the speed shifter on this, and I gotta get GP shift on this. All right, let's get an acceleration out of here. Oh, the bike feels good. Woo, whoop, whoop. Toes on the ground, toes on the ground. I gotta forget, man, I'm not on the S1000. Woo! So, yeah, so the Boxer Cup is in full swing. They're trying to get the thing going. So if you guys are into the R9T Racer, stay tuned, because it's definitely piqued my interest. And it is also a big talk here in the US with Moto America, and the possibilities of bringing that Boxer Cup to Moto America. So if you guys like this R9T Racer, then make sure you keep an eye out for those videos. I know motorcycle.com has 2 more episodes coming up for the Boxer Cup. But just the Boxer Cup that was, you know, I'm not even, I don't know. Give me a comment down below if you guys know the Boxer Cup. Did it run AMA some years ago? I'm not sure that the Boxer Cup ran in the AMA, but they've got it in the British, I'm not sure if it's BSB, but they've got over in the British, one of the British series, they've been running it, and they got a grid full of these guys, man. So very nice to be able to have a grid full. So let's take it down a notch in this turn, get a little bit further over. There we go. even know how I'd do it in that boxer cup. I'm not a big time guy. I'm out here just for fun. I could not tell you what my times are out here. No clue. Kinda don't care. But I'm assuming it's like a horrible 2:15. Probably something like that. 2:20. I love the way this thing sounds. Woo! Ooh, I got a little Spitfire out of that one. Or, well, he did. Little fireball out of the R6. So the Rapid Tune, it's got a very nice verbal tune to it. Oshmo, I believe is his name. Has got these things tuned up on the Rapid bike, the Rapid system. Oh, there's Jerry on his V4R. He's killing it. I'm sorry, I was paying attention to Jerry. Jerry, you madman. He's got a MV Agusta that I will be riding at lunch for my lunchtime review. Full tracked out MV Agusta, so stay tuned for that video. Woo! Man, what a blast. Oh my god, if you guys could see the smile on my face right now, I'll tell you what, it's big. It's big. I never thought that this bike would be just as much of a blast as it is. Just absolutely love it. Sorry again, but it's just, there's no denying it. By far the best $10,000 I've spent on a motorcycle. It checks almost every single box. I would say probably the biggest box that the biggest thing I don't like about this is the weight. The weight, this thing weighs a metric ton. They call it fat bastard. The sound of it, the torque, the acceleration, the horsepower, it's all so nice and linear and just so nice, so nice. Me likey. Me like it a lot. So our farewell day here at Buttonwillow, and this will be our last lap for this session, but beginning of October here, and just an absolutely gorgeous day. Absolutely gorgeous day. Couldn't ask for a better weather day. A little brisk this morning, a little heated up this afternoon, but right now, optimal operating temperature. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh boy. Well, thank you guys for sticking around. not much action in this one, you know, just a fun ride here on the R9T Racer. And you can see our groups and everyone's just living it up here on the track. So shout out to Cali Track Days. Thank you guys for providing such a amazing day. And of course, everybody that supports us and has supported us. Thank you, everybody. But we're gonna go off. I'm gonna let this thing cool down because the R9T is WTF right now. It is hot. 280. The madman on the V4R. So I'm going to take a quick breather, probably sit out 2 sessions, and I'm going to try to get out in the B- group next session and the B+ group on the BMW S1000R. So thanks for sticking around, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. And as always, thank you guys for coming out with me and riding with me. I really appreciate it. But till next video, we'll see you then. Bye, guys.